Good evening. I'm trying to talk about the successful habits of a millionaire who has already done it, and by following the habits, uh, there are basically there are about 7 habits which basically uh, have a successful millionaire who has followed and who has done it. And in this case, it happens to be my mentor, my Gurudev, Dev Gadvi, who has shared it in a YouTube video about this 7 successful habits. Uh, who wants to become a millionaire can follow this and become a millionaire. The first thing is uh, uh, thinking big. Always you have to think big. Uh, that gives a lot of shift from your mediocre life, and unless you think big in your life, you're not going to achieve it. So to get a greater dreams of your life, so you'll have to really think big, and unless you think big about it, you are not going to achieve it. So this is the first thing. Second thing is uh, visualize. Visualizing about the dreams that you want to achieve. So unless you uh, bring it in your mind, so anything that happens, it happens twice. Once it happens in your mind, second time it happens in reality. So if you start bringing it in your mind, start visualizing it on a daily basis, you are giving a direction to the universe to go towards those dreams. And when it actually happens, it will become no surprise to you, because you have been already thinking about it on a daily basis. So visualization is very, very important. Whatever goals, dreams that you want to achieve, on a daily basis we have to visualize, so that we are directing the universe to give us the dreams that we want to achieve. Third thing is learn continuously. I mean, invest on your self learning. So whatever money you invest in stock market and all those asset classes like FD and real estate, all those things may give a return. But the quickest return, that if you want to have the multi-fold return, that if you want to have, you have to do investment on yourself, self education, self learning. So unless you learn some skill or some new thing, you are not going to develop as a person. So to develop as a person and to increase your earnings, you have to learn some new skills. So as you keep learning new skills, your income also starts growing. So we have to learn continuously in our life. This is the third thing. Fourth is healthy life. You have to follow a physically, mentally, spiritually also a healthy life. So do exercise for your physical thing on a daily basis to keep your body in a good fit condition. The fit mind will have a good body, along with it will give you a overall healthy condition. So mind and body has to be maintained well. So like doing exercise for your mind, you have to do a lot of books to be reading books and other things to you know uh, refresh your knowledge, learn new things on a daily basis, and unlearn few old things. This has to happen continuously. So this is and spiritually also you have to do meditation and other things, so that unless you do something spiritually also, you are not a complete man. So to become a healthy uh, person in all walks of life, physically, mentally, spiritually, you have to lead a healthy life, including diet, exercise, uh, sleep, and all those aspects of healthy life. The next one is take calculated risk. Taking risk is blind risk is not correct, but you'll have to take a calculated risk. So if you take a calculated risk, yes, there is a risk in it, but then you will be able to manage it because you are expecting and taking precautions for those risks. Like uh, the example is standing on a cliff of a mountain and jumping blindly, thinking that you will land on a soft couch, is a blind faith and blind risk. Suppose if it is a calculated risk, you will go to the cliff of a mountain, jump from there with a parachute, or go by paragliding or any other safety nets. So with that, you are not going to at least fall down and you know uh, 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 die. So you're taking a calculated risk there. So calculated risk is required in life to grow in life. If you want a growth, you will have to take a calculated risk. Then you will have to have me time habit. Always you have to spend time with your family, apart from your regular uh, routine work and your whatever day-to-day business and other things that you're doing. Apart from that, apart from your regular job and other things, you have to keep spending time with your family. At the same time, you have to spend time with yourself, individually on a daily basis. Say, sit with yourself for 15-20 minutes and just you know be with yourself. So that will help you come out of all your stress and uh, do well for the next day in a refreshing manner. And then last is giving back to the society. So always we have to give. So unless we give it, we are not going to get it back. So the universe also encourages people. You can get to the extent of what you give only. So you have to keep giving. It is in your own interest that you keep giving, help people, give back to the society, which will give you a lot of satisfaction, fulfillment, at the same time lot of uh, wealth that you have been giving it away. So these are the 7 successful habits which my Gurudev has followed, and he has applied in his life, and he has become a millionaire now. So hope this will be useful to you all. If you like it, uh, please do put it in the comments, and do share with your friends and family. Thank you. You will be able to choose if you want to save or delete it.